Okay, our safety covers are on. I'm just going to turn the power on and okay, as soon as our e-stop was on is why STO came on. Just going to pull that out, start programming. Press on the green, and CONF, press on it, scroll until we hit full, press in. SIN, we're going to press on it. TTC, we're going to press on it just to make sure she's 2-wire. It is 2-wire. We come out, we scroll counterclockwise. The high speed is at 50. We'll leave it at 50. Scroll counterclockwise again. We got low speed. We will change low speed so I can show you something. So we press on low speed. We'll just change it to 10 for now. Remember that it was on 0. Press in, save. Counterclockwise, decel. We'll leave it at 3. Acceleration, we'll leave it at 3. Escape all the way out. Ready? We're going to turn it on. In forward, we have 50. Turn it off. Stops. Now we'll turn reverse on. As you can see, the minus, letting you know you're in reverse. We'll shut that off, and I'll explain something to you here. The jumper we previously put in. I'm going to shut the power off and pull that out just to make a little demonstration. Power's off. There's a reason why we put that jumper in there. Turn the power on. STO, because our e-stop is in. Now if we were to turn it on right now, because the jumper is out, it will actually go to low speed. And that is the same in reverse on low speed. So if we never had to change our low speed, it would have been set at 0. It wouldn't have went at all. Okay, I'm just going to shut the video off now and show you how a 3-wire is wired in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 3 of how to do a 3-wire wiring and programming.